How to customize the toolbar on Google Chrome. Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and simple way to customize the toolbar on your Google Chrome browser. Whether you want to tidy up your workspace or keep your favorite tools within easy reach, tweaking your toolbar can make your browsing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. First things first, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Access the menu. Next, look up at the top right corner of your browser window. See those 3 vertical dots? That's your menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with options. Step 3. Head to Settings. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, your one-stop shop for customizing Chrome. Step 4. Find Toolbar Options. Once you're in the settings, look for the Toolbar section. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the settings page. Type Toolbar shortcut and it will take you right to it. Step 5. Customize your toolbar. Now it's time to make it your own. Add or remove icons. Use the toggle switches to decide which icons stay and which ones go. Rearrange the icons. Simply click and drag the icons into the order that works best for you. Want quick access to your favorite tools? Move them to the front. This level of flexibility lets you create a setup tailored to your browsing needs, saving you time and effort. Step 6. Save your changes. Once you're happy with your toolbar layout, make sure to save your changes. This ensures your customized setup will be ready to use every time you open Chrome. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've transformed your toolbar into a sleek and efficient tool that's uniquely yours. Enjoy the ease of a more personalized browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing!